Hi guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to repair a toilet tank flapper. I mean how to place a new one in. So first what we're going to do is first we're going to turn off our water. Okay, now unclip the flapper from the flush valve. If I could get it off. Come on, you. Come on, guys. Okay, so once we have that off, take the clip, okay, take the flapper now out and leave the chain onto the flush valve. Now take your new flapper, put that, clip your flapper onto the flush valve. If I can. Okay, once we have that, we're gonna now take our flapper chain. Gosh dang it! Okay, we're gonna put our flapper chain through there. Okay, now we're almost done. Just let me do this. Okay, now once you have your flapper on, now turn on your water, and we're gonna let that fill up. Okay, now our toilet is filled up now, so when the toilet tank is completely filled, we want to flush it now. See if our flapper works. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. There. It actually works. So, that how large it rises. Hold on, guys. Okay, this should work. Yes, it does. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.